Carteret Mobile Park, and we're looking at lot, well, this is N-1, and this will be N-2, and next to it will be N-3. So this is how it begins. The guys clear the land, and here's all the debris from the previous concrete of the house. It was 2 houses that were here before. Actually, I think it's 3 houses that were here before. We're on the corner of N Row, and they'll be digging down, fixing the infrastructure. This community was originally built in 1950, so a lot of times we fix what's below the ground for sewer and water. And then they have a plot plan they're following, which our project manager created. And so this house will be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 2 units together, so that'll be considered a multi-section or a double wide. And then this one here will go all the way back beyond that shed and will be a rather long house. So this also will be a 2-bedroom, I believe 1 bath. So stay tuned. If you're interested in filling out the resident application, you could do that now, and this house will be ready within the 6 months. Every resident application that's approved is good for 6 months. So hurry on in, because our houses are going actually rather fast. We keep selling out in the Carteret location because it's such a great location to New York City and the highways and the turnpike and the parkway, and it's just really centrally located. We're here in the heart of Carteret, Middlesex County in Carteret, New Jersey. Go to our website, My Home in Carteret, and again, everything starts with an email, info@dolanhomes.com.